Enroll in Habib University's Computer Engineering program and shape your educational journey. Recognized and accredited by the Pakistan Engineering Council, this program emphasizes strong theoretical foundations and practical problem-solving skills across a diverse spectrum of sub-disciplines. Some of the thrusts offered include design of computing systems, embedded systems design, computer networks and security, information processing and cyber-physical systems, and software and systems engineering. This program emphasizes real-world applications, providing students with hands-on experience to tackle contemporary challenges, thereby equipping you with the necessary skills to successfully launch startups, pursue graduate degrees at top-ranked universities, and secure successful careers in fields including biomedical, big data, machine learning, data science, blockchain development, and many more. Apply now to Habib's Computer Engineering program and become part of Pakistan's best undergraduate experience.